All right, let's look at our exit ticket. A couple questions here. Same thing we did in one of the previous problems. A bathroom shower streams 5 gallons of water in 2 minutes. So they want you to find the unit rate for gallons per minute. So we're going to put gallons on the top. We're going to put gallons on the top and minutes on the bottom. But then over here, find the unit rate for minutes per gallon. So we're going to do it two different ways. Just make sure that you have created your units and you say where they're going to be. You can create your equal sign with your two fractions. I'm going to just set it up over here too. And remember, we always want a 1 in that second denominator. So that's going to find us what's our unit rate. So we want gallons per minute in this first one, and I just know that by reading gallons per minute, and I put it in the order. All right, so gallons is 5 gallons, and it happens every 2 minutes. So what did we do to 2 to turn it into 1? We divided it by 2. So what are you going to do to 5 to turn it into our unknown variable? 5 divided by 2. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So we get our mystery number to be 2.5. So then when you're done, just put some units back onto it so it makes some sense to you. So what this means is 2.5 gallons of water will be used every 1 minute. So think about that as you're showering. You're in the shower for 1 minute, already 2.5 gallons have poured on your head. And so think about how long you take in a shower. I don't know, 20 to 30 minutes, but you can multiply this by 20 or 30. You're using a lot of gallons. Okay, so just something to think about. Here, find the unit rate for minutes per gallon. So we put minutes here and gallons there. Our minutes is still 2 minutes. Our gallons is still 5 gallons. So what did we do to 5 to turn it into 1? Divided it by 5. What are we going to do to 2 to turn it into our mystery or our unknown? We're going to divide by 5. 2 divided by 5 is 0.4. If you don't know how I did that, 2 divided by 5, I put 2, I did 5, I did long division. Does 5 go into 2? No. So I put a decimal and I add a 0. Does 5 go into 20? Yep, 4 times. 5 times 4 is 20. Okay, so that's how we're getting those answers. Could have done long division over here to get 2.5. I just knew to divide something by 2 is cutting it in half. Okay, and 5 cut in half is 2.5. So here, what do we get? 0.4 minutes. So almost just less than half of a minute, right? Half of a minute would have been 0.5. So this is less than half of a minute. You're going to already use a gallon of water. It hasn't even been a full minute and a gallon of water has already poured on you. It hasn't even been half of a minute. It's 0.4 of a minute. Okay? Hopefully that makes sense.